Welcome to AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner question. Question 1. Which AWS service is primarily used for software version control? Option 1. AWS Code Commit, 2. AWS Code Star, 3. AWS Cloud 9, 4. AWS Code Deploy. Right answer is 1. AWS Code Commit. Explanation: AWS Code Commit is a fully managed source control service that hosts secure Git-based repositories. It makes it easy for teams to collaborate on code in a secure and highly scalable ecosystem. AWS Code Star enables you to quickly develop, deploy applications on AWS. AWS Code Star provides a unified user interface, enabling you to easily manage your software development activities in one place. AWS Cloud 9 is a cloud-based integrated development environment, IDE, that lets you write, run, and debug your code with just a browser. AWS Code Deploy is a deployment service that automates application deployments to Amazon EC2 instances, on-premises instances, or its serverless Lambda functions. Question: which AWS service can you use to install a third-party database? Option 1. Amazon RDS, 2. Amazon DynamoDB, 3. Amazon EC2, 4. Amazon EMR. Right answer is 3. Amazon EC2. Explanation: all of these services are managed services except for Amazon EC2. EC2 is the only service in the list upon which you can manually install the database software of your choice. Question 3. Identify the services that have a global, rather than regional, scope. Choose 2. Option 1. Amazon Route 53, 2. Amazon S3, 3. Amazon CloudFront, 4. AWS Lambda, 5. Amazon EC2. Right answer is 1. Amazon Route 53, 3. Amazon CloudFront. Explanation: Amazon Route 53 and Amazon CloudFront have a global scope. Amazon S3 uses a global namespace, but buckets and objects are created within a region. AWS Lambda is a regional service. Question: which service can you use to provision a pre-configured server with little to no AWS experience? Option 1. Amazon Elastic Beanstalk, 2. AWS Lambda, 3. Amazon EC2, 4. Amazon Lightsail. Right answer is 4. Amazon Lightsail. Explanation: Lightsail provides developers compute, storage, and networking capacity and capabilities to deploy and manage websites, web applications, and databases in the cloud. Lightsail provides pre-configured virtual private servers, instances, that include everything required to deploy an application or create a database. Deploying a server on Lightsail is extremely easy and does not require knowledge of how to configure VPC, security groups, network ACL, etc. AWS Elastic Beanstalk can be used to quickly deploy and manage applications in the AWS cloud. It is considered a PaaS service. However, you do still need to deploy within a VPC, so more AWS expertise is required. Question: which AWS service allows you to connect to storage from on-premise servers using standard file protocols? Option 1. Amazon S3, 2. Amazon EBS, 3. Amazon Glacier, 4. Amazon EFS. Right answer is 4. Amazon EFS. Explanation: EFS is a fully managed service that makes it easy to set up and scale file storage in the Amazon cloud. EFS file systems are mounted using the NFS protocol, which is a file-level protocol. Access to EFS file systems from on-premises servers can be enabled via Direct Connect or AWS VPN. You mount an EFS file system on your on-premises Linux server using the standard Linux mount command for mounting a file system via the NFS v4.1 protocol. Amazon S3 is an object-level, not file-level storage system. Amazon Glacier is an archiving solution that is accessed through S3. Amazon Elastic Block Storage EBS is block-level storage that can only be accessed by EC2 instances from the same AZ as the EBS volume. Questions. Which pricing model should you use for EC2 instances that will be used in a lab environment for several hours on a weekend and must run uninterrupted? Option 1. On-demand. 2. Reserved. 3. Spot. 4. Dedicated instance. Right answer is 1. On-demand. Explanation. Spot instances are good for short-term requirements as they can be very economical. However, you may find that the instance is terminated if the spot market price moves. On-demand is the best choice for this situation, as it is the most economical option that will ensure no interruptions. Reserved instances are good for long-term, static requirements as you must lock in for 1 or 3 years in return for a decent discount. Dedicated instances are EC2 instances that run on hardware dedicated to a single customer. Question. What is an availability zone composed of? Option 1. One or more regions. 2. One or more DC in a location. 3. A collection of edge locations. 4. A collection of VPC. Right answer is 2. One or more DC in a location. Explanation. Availability zones are physically separate and isolated from each other. AZ have direct, low latency, high throughput and redundant network connections between each other. A region is a geographical area. Each region consists of 2 or more availability zones. Question. Which AWS services are used for analytics? Choose 2. Option 1. Amazon RDS. 2. Amazon Elasticache. 3. Amazon Athena. 4. Amazon S3. 5. Amazon EMR. Right answer is 3. Amazon Athena. 5. Amazon EMR. Explanation. Amazon Elastic MapReduce (EMR) provides a managed Hadoop framework that makes it easy, fast, and cost-effective to process vast amounts of data across dynamically scalable Amazon EC2 instance. Amazon Athena is an interactive query service that makes it easy to analyze data in Amazon S3 using standard SQL. Elasticache is a data caching service that is used to help improve the speed/performance of web applications running on AWS. Amazon RDS is Amazon's relational database and is primarily used for transactional workloads. Amazon S3 is used for object storage. Question. What advantages does deploying Amazon CloudFront provide? Choose 2. Option 1. A private network linked to the AWS Cloud. 2. Reduce latency. 3. Automated deployment of resources. 4. Improved performance for end users. 5. Provide serverless compute services. Right answer is 2. Reduced latency. 4. Improved performance for end users. Explanation. CloudFront is a content delivery network, CDN, that allows you to store cache your content at edge locations located around the world. This allows customers to access content more quickly and provides security against DDoS attacks. CloudFront can be used for data, videos, applications, and API. A private network linked to the AWS cloud can be provisioned using AWS Direct Connect or an IPsec VPN. Automated deployment of resources is performed using CloudFormation. CloudFront is a CDN, not a serverless compute service. Question. What considerations are there when choosing which region to use? Choose 2. Option 1. Data sovereignty. 2. Available storage capacity. 3. Latency. 4. Pricing and local currency. 5. Available compute capacity. Right answer is 1. Data sovereignty. 3. Latency. Explanation. You may choose a region to reduce latency, minimize costs, or address regulatory requirements. Available capacity is generally not a concern as AWS has a large pool of resources and does not disclose the available capacity in each region. Pricing for AWS services is in USD. Question. Which service can be used to track the CPU usage of an EC2 instance? Option 1. Amazon CloudTrail. 2. Amazon CloudFront. 3. Amazon CloudFormation. 4. Amazon CloudWatch. Right answer is 4. Amazon CloudWatch. Explanation. Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring service for AWS cloud resources and the applications you run on AWS. CloudWatch is for performance monitoring, whereas CloudTrail is for auditing. AWS CloudTrail is a web service that records activity made on your account and delivers log files to an Amazon S3 bucket. CloudFormation is used for automated provisioning of infrastructure. CloudFront is a content delivery network, CDN, that caches content. Question. Which feature of AWS allows you to deploy a new application for which the requirements may change over time? Option 1. Elasticity. 2. Fault tolerance. 3. Disposable resources. 4. High availability. Right answer is 1. Elasticity. Explanation. Elasticity allows you to deploy your application without worrying about whether it will need more or less resources in the future. With elasticity, the infrastructure can scale on demand. Fault tolerance and high availability are mechanisms used for ensuring the availability of your application and protecting against the failure of hardware or software components. Disposable resources is an architectural principle in which servers and other components are treated as temporary resources and are replaced rather than updated. Questioning. Which items can be configured from within the VPC Management Console? Choose 2. Option 1. Subnets. 2. Regions. 3. Load balancing. 4. Auto scaling. 5. Security groups. Right answer is 1. Subnets. 5. Security groups. Explanation. Subnets and security groups can be configured from within the VPC console. Regions are not configured. Resources within regions are configured. Load balancing and auto-scaling is configured from the EC2 console. Question 14. Which services are integrated with KMS encryption? Choose 2. Option 1. Amazon RDS. 2. Amazon EC2. 3. Amazon EBS. 4. Amazon SWF. 5. AWS CloudFormation. Right answer is 1. Amazon RDS. 3. Amazon EBS. Explanation. Not all services integrate with KMS. Questioning. Which service allows you to automatically expand and shrink your application in response to demand? Option 1. AWS Elasticache. 2. Amazon Elastic Load Balancing. 3. AWS Auto Scaling. 4. Amazon DynamoDB. Right answer is 3. AWS Auto Scaling. Explanation. Auto scaling automatically responds to demand by adding or removing EC2 instances to ensure the right amount of compute capacity is available at any time. Amazon ELB distributes incoming requests to EC2 instances. It can be used in conjunction with auto scaling. AWS Elasticache provides in-memory cache and database services. Amazon DynamoDB is a NoSQL database.